what's up, internet? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm at the Costco Tire Center because at the tire center they sell batteries, and that's exactly what I need. I tried to fix the other battery, but it wouldn't hold no charge, so they told me the battery was, I don't know, that wasn't really that good. My dad actually told me that the batteries right here at Costco are like 70, for my car it's like 76 bucks. I'm right here to buy a new battery. The line for the actual Costco is back here, but I'm not going in there. Luckily the tire center is like right here, so it's like a completely different entrance. So I'm gonna go inside and get my battery and let's see how the battery looks. Alright guys, so here we go inside the Costco battery center. So pretty much all of these batteries, they go by off of this number right here, this number, and then they go off the cranking as well. So for my battery it'll be the 51R with 500 cranking amps. So for this battery, the one I need, it's $76.99, which is a good deal because like they even give you a 36 months warranty on this one. So that's pretty good. And then they charge you like a $15 core charge, which means like you return the battery and they give you $15 back. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the battery, switch them out, and then bring the old battery back. So here's the new battery. I made sure that it's the newest battery that they have at Costco. Got this one right here. Now I'm gonna return this piece of junk right here. So this right here, this battery was from AutoZone, and like I said, it was just the warranty on this one had expired already. So I mean, there's nothing they could do, and there's nothing I could do about it. So, but actually, what I'm gonna do is like return this battery right here at the Costco Tire Center, and they'll give me some money for this, even though it doesn't work. That was pretty cool. So I just returned the old battery. They gave me $15 cash, and that was pretty good. So right now I'm gonna head off to Walmart. I need to buy a USB drive for the PlayStation 4 because I need to transfer some old games into the new PlayStation. Made it to Walmart. There's a line to enter, so this line right here is just to enter, and the people are coming out of the Walmart, it's from the other side, so that way they just, I don't know, they're just, I guess, practicing the social distancing. Everybody pretty much on the line has, except for this guy right here, is wearing face masks. What about you, Rose? You wearing your mascaras? Is Bendy wearing the mascara? Bendy's not real, that's why. So the only reason, like I said, I'm here just to get that USB for the PlayStation 4. One thing that me and Rosie noticed, we noticed that me thought that because it's already in the afternoon. What time is it right now, Rosie? It's already 6 in the afternoon, and for some reason me both thought that maybe coming at this time there'll be like less people, because like most of the times like there's a lot of people in the mornings. That's not the case. It doesn't matter what time you're gonna be coming, there's always gonna be a line. I mean, no matter what the line is, like it's moving pretty fast. The first thing Rosie wants to get, she wants to get one of these. What is this for? Leave-in conditioner. Why? Because your mom has some of this? So Rosie said that her mom has one of this stuff and she used it on Ivana last time and that it worked. No, on Ivana? On Ivana? So she's gonna get one. It's right there. Oh, and we got some chairs. We got two camping chairs. I don't know, even though we're not gonna go camping, but they're $5 each. And we pulled one out and the chair looks pretty cool. For $5 is alright. So we got two. So Ivana wants to get some rainbow rubber bands. Ooh, that looks nice. Ivana found, let me see, move it. Oh, that one? Let me see it, Ivana. You want to get this one? Over here.
So you could raise your hand?
Oh, but you know what? I noticed it doesn't have a price on there. How's she going to get it? Hold on.
That one is bigger, so you could finish faster.
So Rosie's going to get a hair straightener.
But this looks...
We just push the button so like somebody can come with the key and get that one out.
What button?
So the other day my mom went to the house and took some of this stuff to the house and she warmed it up in the microwave. It was super delicious. I'm gonna give me a box for me too. Ivana, she's already... What did you get, Ivana? Let me see the chips. She got her hot fries. I got my popcorn. Oh, and where's that? Oh, let me see the straightener. Yeah. So we had to ask one of the associates to open the door. So Rosie's gonna try this out. If she doesn't like it, she's gonna return this one and get a different one. But she wants to try this one out because it has like a brush.
It has like a what?
Mm-hmm.
It has like a what?
A brush. Well, I don't like I don't like washing dishes, so I'm gonna give me a pack of this stuff right here. $3.98. That way I just like use the plate and throw the plate in the trash. We just stepped out of the store. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you guys tomorrow.